What's an intermediate switch? An intermediate switch is a type of electrical switch that is used to control a circuit from multiple locations. Here are some typical examples of where we can use an intermediate switch. 1. Staircase lighting. In a multi-story building, an intermediate switch can be used to control the staircase lighting from multiple landings. 2. Long hallways. In a long hallway, an intermediate switch can be used to control the lighting from multiple points, making it convenient to turn the lights on and off. 3. Large rooms. In a large room, such as a conference room or auditorium, an intermediate switch can be used to control the lighting from multiple locations. The key benefit of an intermediate switch is that it allows you to control a circuit from multiple locations, making it a convenient and flexible solution for a variety of applications.